catch it easily at chest. Notice how her abs are contracting each time she catches it. Just before her back touches the floor, she sits up forcefully and tosses the ball back to her partner with a two-handed press. Excellent ab workout, and it's a lot of fun at the same time. Okay, a crunch and stretch, where again in that bent knee position, and we're training partner standing on the feet again. And this time your back's off the floor, but both arms are outstretched over the head. So the partner passes the ball lightly into your hands, and with your arms stretched overhead, you're gonna feel a real contraction, right? And so you're not gonna, just lift it up, and you're gonna feel a real stretch and contraction in your abs. This is a very tough exercise because the lever arm has increased, so be really careful when you do this, and maybe only 3 or 4 reps. Very good, that's a tough exercise, isn't it, Lindsay? And we're doing the twist, so we're in a sit-up position again, and using the feet on feet, so the partner's holding her feet. This time, you're grabbing the ball, and she does this exercise by herself where she holds the medicine ball in both hands straight out from her face. She keeps her elbows slightly bent, and then just twists her torso side to side. Beautiful form. This is training your oblique muscles, the sides of the abs, and you can see those oblique muscles working. Perfect form, Lindsay. And notice also how, in order to stabilize that work, all of her rectus abdominis, the six-pack, was working as well. Very nice job. Punching push-ups are where you place the tops of your feet on the ball and your hands on the floor. You slowly lower back and forth, leading with your chest. You continue until your elbows are bent at 90 degrees, and then you come back up, keeping your neck neutral. It's a very difficult exercise. Try to keep your back straight and push from the triceps, and also you'll feel it in your shoulders. Excellent job. This is a very tough exercise. Okay, this is the boxer's balance push-up. Your balls of your feet are on the floor, and you're doing push-ups, but also you're noticing how the triceps are working. Try to keep your neck from bending forward, so keep your head up. This is really tough. And you want to bend your elbows just to 90 degrees and back up while you maintain perfect posture. Maintain your breathing and core strength on this one. This is really tough. Try to make sure to have a training partner spot you in case you fall. When this becomes easy, you can try to hold the position with your eyes closed. And see if you can go ahead and let her go, see how she does. Very good, Lindsay, good work. And that's how you do it. Standing fighting stance is where you stand on a stability ball with both feet and hold the position interval for about 30 seconds to a minute. Have a training partner spot you again. When this becomes easy, try to hold the position with your eyes closed. This is really, really difficult, so make sure you have 2 partners holding you in this position. And see if you can hold this one now, Fran. How are you doing? Okay, the boxer's ball lunge, you hold the ball straight out from your chest with both hands. You keep your elbows soft, and you step forward into a deep lunge and twist your torso to the side of the forward leg. You twist back as you step back into the starting position. You repeat this on the other leg. This exercise develops total body balance, and it's awesome for core strength and stability of the whole body. Excellent job, Lindsay. The boxer's ball twist, you position yourself on the ball as you would when you're performing crunches. You grab a medicine ball with both hands, keeping your elbows extended and your arms perpendicular to your torso, and you just rotate to either side. You maintain a neutral head and neck position, and this is great for your abdominal area and core strength. It's also really a fun exercise to do when you have your kids in the room. Thanks, perfect, friend, nice job. The Rocky ball roll is from a kneeling position with the ball directly in front of you. You place your clasped hands on top of the ball. Allow yourself to extend forward until your hips and shoulders are fully extended. Then you return back to your starting position by reversing the motion. This is a really tough exercise for your core, and it works your abs, and you can also see how it works your back. Make sure you have a spotter when you do this exercise. Nice job, Lindsay. Okay, boxer's leg sweeps, where you lie face up on the ball, you flex your hips to 90 degrees with your legs straight up and your feet together. Good. Then we're just going to go side to side as you're holding onto a chair or a partner, and this really trains your abs. You can tell it's very difficult. Make sure that you have a partner when you do this exercise. We call it a wheat in the wind exercise because your legs are going back and forth, just as wheat in the wind. Beautiful job. This is really hard. So only do a couple repetitions. Excellent job, friend. Nice work. fighting position roll is where you kneel on the floor and place your forearms on the ball, making sure your hips and arms form a 90-degree angle. From this starting position, you roll forward, and as you extend your arms, your legs extend simultaneously. And then you come back, so it's just a back and forth move. It's very difficult. Make sure you have a spotter both in front and on the side. Excellent work, tough job. These last couple of exercises use a stability ball you'll see, for the type of balance that you'll need to train all of those stabilizer muscles. So while you're seated on the ball, you're going to have a partner throw a ball back and forth, and you're just going to play catch. It's fun. So we're just playing catch back and forth. Good. And she's having to use muscles to stabilize. As she catches the ball, she has to stabilize so she doesn't fall off. She can also catch the ball and go ahead. This time when you catch it, go ahead and twist side to side, and then throw it again, and then catch it and twist side to side, right, and throw it again. I mean, there's so many different things you can do with this, but this is a great start. Beautiful work. This is a great ab exercise on a stability ball using the medicine ball, and it's our last one, so let's have a good time with this one. You're sitting on a ball, and your feet are either anchored or not, depending. If your feet aren't anchored, you have to have a lot of balance. You're going to throw a ball back and forth with your partner, and you're actually performing a sit-up every time you catch the ball. Good, so it's just back and forth like that. This is a great way to develop sports-specific strength, and it's fun too. It's a lot more fun than just doing crunches on the floor. Beautiful, nice work. Some of the best abs and upper body exercises are accomplished on a stability ball. You get to stretch muscles a little bit further than if you were on the floor. Boxer's crunches, where you lie back over the ball and you keep your lower back on the middle of the ball. Your knees are bent at 90 degrees and your thighs are parallel with the floor. You begin your normal crunch, but as you reach the top, you throw a jab and then a cross. These are excellent for torso strength, if you can, endurance and stability.